are down to the biggest game of the Premier League season. Manchester City versus Arsenal, ladies and gentlemen, at the Etihad Stadium. Wherever you're watching, it's going to be a blockbuster game. This game is going to let us know which way the title is swinging. It's a huge game. Pep Guardiola versus Mikel Arteta. The boss, the teacher versus his student. Oh my god, man. Haaland versus Gyökeres. I just can't wait, man. O'Reilly versus Gabriel. Saliba versus Gay. Rodri versus Declan Rice. Some incredible matchups. I have a feeling this match is going to pan out with City being aggressive, Arsenal being defensive. That's what I think we all think. But I just hope it's going to be an exciting game. Just looking at the momentum side of things, City do have the advantage. They're also playing at home. Arsenal have looked nervous in the last couple of weeks. They can still turn around because Arsenal can frustrate opposition with their defense, with their corners. They can nick a goal at any time, a free kick, set piece, anything. Declan Rice is very good on those dead balls, and Gabriel, Saliba just cling on to anything in the box. Looking at the way City is playing, O'Reilly, man, look at this guy, such a young kid. He's scoring goals, he's defending. You've got Gay showing stability. Rodri is getting into the zone now. Haaland, yes, he didn't score in the last Premier League game, but he's scoring goals in the cup matches. You've got Cherki, he's absolutely balling out as well. Semenyo is a goal threat. Doku is a goal threat. They have that. Arsenal are lacking that attacking threat. I know they have Gyökeres. Saka is out, remember. I know they have Gyökeres. They've got some players, but that attacking threat is missing. I don't know if they're going to play Max Dowman, the kid, if he's going to play or not, if he's going to start. But yeah, normally when you have a title-winning team, you associate yourself with attacking players, which City have, which Arsenal are lacking. But it's one game. Anything can happen. Let me know in the comments who you think is going to win. It's going to be Arsenal. It's going to be Man City. It's at the Etihad Stadium. Let me know the scoreline as well. Can't wait for this, man.